Hi everybody. I have good news today. I will introduction for you all of you six college and vocational school in Finland where you can study in English and some of them they ask in Finnish skills, some more less, some of them more. But the main target groups are people who live in already in Finland, so you supposed to be residence permits in Finland. Some of them accept also in other countries in European Union. Also, uh, there is one internship agreement studies in practical nurse, and one is practical nurse studies, and then is cook, restaurant and catering service, and then is cleaning and property service studies. Also, these schools are not in Helsinki because I'm already introduction you schools in Helsinki. This time I introduce schools other part of Finland, and actually let's introduce myself. My name is John and my channel is John of Finland. If you are not earlier have been here, I always keep introduction some Finnish studies and education system in Finland. So let's go to details this time. I open this website for you here and tell the step by step and try to go really briefly this website, and you can get to yourself familiar these schools and studies. So let me introduction for you first school. Practical nurse, vocational qualification in social and healthcare, and school is in Mikkeli, but is mostly in online and your self-study. They have only couple days in Mikkeli, so this is not big problem. You can travel to Mikkeli for a couple days. And this is internship training. You need first contact some companies, and if they promise to start this training with you, then you can apply to school and call to school and say that you have some companies he or them promise to you study place and workplace. So internship training means that you get normal salary and then you study also. Usually it's depend, but average is about 80% is workplace learned and 20% about studies, about school and yourself studying. So there is classes can be online studies, and then they give also uh, exercise and material for you yourself studies, and then you just send this exercise for teacher by online. So you need good IT skills too. But please hurry up and be fast because it's ending 15th of May, this application, they stop. Area of expertise, care of education of children and young people. Duration 2.5 between 3 years, and there they expect your language skill English must be at least B1.1. And they testing and they invite you to Mikkeli and they give language test in Mikkeli in English, also in Finnish. But Finnish is not compulsory. I don't go that really deep that page, but Otavankatu Mikkeli is only 3 days. Study methods, they talk in target group and student selection process and criminal record vaccination. You need other documents, prior skills, course fee, workplace recommends, application is here, and the applicant language skills will be tested during the selection process. Application time ends at 15th of May. So be fast and hurry up. And here there's a when applying for study, choose Mirja Kauppias as the apprenticeship coordinator from the list. and you can email or call them. They speak also in English, and if you have some problems. But then I jumped another school. This is Sedu, and this location is Seinäjoki. So this is also practical nurse, vocational qualification in social and healthcare. And application time is already running, and it starts in February and it's end of the May. So you have 1 month time to apply, but please soon as is possible. And this is class studies, is not like online or is not internship studies. And this, they explain for who this is. So junior high school graduates, secondary school graduates, vocational school graduates. Finnish students who have good command of English language can apply for this program. Foreign students with good Finnish and English skills can apply for this program. So read careful this and you always can contact this school. And next one is Thai, is Turku Vocational Institute study program in English. They will start soon application process, basic vocational qualification in restaurant and catering service, and another one, basic vocational qualification in cleaning and property service. So please read this website well, studies and apply, and they have a who can apply. They have explained here. Priority will given to applicants who have right to work in Finland. For more information, Finnish Immigration Service work in Finland. So this is mean that who have also resident permits here. Good written and oral command on of the English language. 18 years old age. Suitability recommends good health for vocational labor and flexibility in working hours in request. Applicants they say the applicants from outside of Finland, the education target at Finns, citizen of EU, and applicants processing a resident permit in the EU Schengen countries. If you have resident permits in the EU, please attack in the application. So here they explain more about this. And then I go another is that fourth, Gradia in Jyväskylä. And Gradia is also vocational college and location is in middle Finland and Jyväskylä is pretty much same size like Joensuu and Kuopio. I could say that something 100,000, probably a little bit less people live there. But I have been few times and it's really compact city and beautiful front of lake and nice. I like it. Good qualification in restaurant and catering service. Ravintola and catering alan perustutkinto in Finnish. Basic education. They mix it in Finnish and English here. Gradia is offering study program in restaurant and catering service delivered completely in English. You will graduate as a cook with a set of versatile skills for cooking, baking and customer service roles. And this is about more information. This studies, study field, catering, restaurant catering field, and city is Jyväskylä location. And when these studies are, they start 13 of um, January 2025 and it's end 31st of December 2027. And This style how they teach you is classroom studies. And competence area is 180 credits, so it's due between 3 years. Of course, it's depending your ex if you have previous studies, vocational college, or some university or work experience. An application period 1st of August 2024 between 30th of October 2024. The entrance exam will be held 19 or 20, 19 between 20 of 11 2024 at Primus Campus A. Remote or online interview is not possible. So you have to be at the school. And this is target groups. Who is this mean to these studies? Language recommends language skills are tested in selection interview, good written and oral command of English. But then another one school, Osao, and Osao located in Oulu, northern part of Finland, and it's one of the is it top 5, top 6 uh, cities in Finland about size. I have been the few times in summer and September. Really nice place. And so this is vocational college in Oulu. And what they offer here, they offer vocational qualification in English in business, in restaurant and catering service, in tourist industry. So this is in Finnish, the vocational qualification business title is merkonomi. And there they explain more what you study and different kind who can apply. Basic level of Finnish language A1.3, so it's quite low. You can read yourself, studies this. I give really this information about Finnish basic courses, Finnish language studies material, one of my video. So check out there and you can reach that level. Application period. So this is still going on like 1 month. So Finnish language fluency level A.1.3 will be tested. Is not really high, so is possibility reach yourself. And cost of studying education is free. You must have own laptop and you buy the books yourself. So get yourself your familiar this. Another one is Tredu. This is located in Tampere, and this is one called say top number 1 city in Finland where Finnish people would move, young people. They always say that marketing in nearly every year and say that Tampere is one of the places where people would like to move in Finland, in Finnish people. And Tampere is about, I could say, would be 300,000 people living there. And it's compact, big city. There is most of what you need really close. Everything is there, and it's not that far. In Helsinki, is about 2 hours by car, and one of my favorite city in Finland also. Vocational qualification in cleaning and property service is one study what they offer. Vocational qualification tourist industry, vocational qualification restaurant and catering service, and qualification in business. And I don't open that one, and because I already saw the similar studies other schools, but please get yourself familiar this website and read and read. And of course you can always send also email the schools and asking, or if you live in Finland you can call them and get more information. I give you just hint and small tips here. You can get more sharp information. Contact them directly. So this was my video this time, and I decided to do that because people asking so much in Finland. This foreigners and immigrants who live here, they say please do more videos about study opportunities in Finland. And I all the time try to look in these study opportunities, other schools, also if you are international student. But Finland at the moment is not so many, maybe 4 or 5 schools who accept international student directly from abroad, because mainly you need some Finnish skills or you have to be here like interview. This makes complicated this application process. So I hope that you like this my video, and please make comment, and I wanna talk with you people what you think about it. It is information it was useful for you, and also you could also, of course, I always asking that where you live, if you live Finland, and if you live USA, if you live in Canada, if you live in Nigeria or some other countries in Africa. And I could say this time, thank you so much and goodbye.